Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love has no obligations or expectations. When you love whatever you do it because you want to do it. It becomes a pleasure. It's like a game, and you have fun with it. When you love, you don't expect something to happen. Whatever happens is okay, and hardly anything disappoints you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 34, NASDAQ off 8, S&P's down 2.5. Can you spell ABC down, folks? That's what we have. Market tried to get the higher price, couldn't handle it. Lighter volume, we built the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. Janet Yellen, the crowd, bottom line, no rate hike. They're thinking of maybe one rate hike before the end of the year. Guess what? Market's saying no rate hike, period. When you look at the Fed funds futures rate, you can go out to 2017, they still don't have a rate hike. Gold contract up $8.50, trading at $1,296 an ounce. Gold wants to go break those highs, folks. It pushed into the high. You're at the lows of the high right now from May 3rd. 1308 is the number. It looks to me like the next stop here is going to be, this leg is 1428, so it's a big number. Silver up 13 cents, $17.55. That's going to go after its high of $18. Platinum is up $1 at $9.77. Copper got the bid needed to get the rest of. Copper was one of the only commodities, folks, that wasn't catching a bid in the last few weeks. It caught the bid up 5 cents, $2.08 a pound. Copper's on its way to $2.32. Light sweet crude down $1.05, 47.44. Light sweet crude on its way down to 45 bucks. Free money, honey? Guess what? Free money is out here, folks. It's absolutely bizarre, but these notes and the bonds, higher price, volume behind the move, all of the above. 10-year note up 13.6, 132.06. That puts the 10-year at 1.5. It looks to me like, 1.5. We were talking about 1.5 a few days ago. We're at 1.5. This 10-year, folks, looks like it's going to go up a few more points, bring you down to 1.3. Going to be pretty amazing. The 30-year up 26, 169.18. The 30-year is at all-time highs, flat out. All-time highs, intraday, all-time high, closing highs, all of the above. The 30-year right now is at 2.4. So you lend the government money for 30 years, you get 2.4% back. Bottom line, good news is you get the principal back. King dollar can't handle higher price. King dollar down 385 ticks, 94.65. King dollar is going after its swing low. Now, the swing low on this contract here, folks, is $92. We're at 94.65. That being said, the way commodities are trading, the way the bonds are trading, the way the dollar is trading, I expect we're actually going to get down to 88. The euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 105. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? As I said at the beginning of the broadcast, can you say ABC down? That's what we have. The SPY today got to 209.36. Couldn't handle higher price. You did 99 million shares versus 125. You came down with volume. You go up with volume. Light volume, couldn't handle price. Next stop for the SPY, it wants to go after the swing point from May 19th. That's 202.78. NDX 100, you take a look at the 3 Qs. Same setup in the 3 Qs. What we have with the 3 Qs is that the 3 Qs got to a price point today of $108.44. You did volume of 23 million. You're going against 25 million. Couldn't handle the price. We are going down into 104.54. That also is a swing point from the 19th of May. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, gold commodities, they all want higher price. What we have out here, we take a look at the gold contract. Right now, gold contract is at $12.96. You did 188,000 contracts. So you have the price spread, you have the volume, and what we're going to see also is this. This is going to be incredible because the weekly volume in this contract is going to be phenomenal. On Monday, we did 203,000 contracts. Yesterday, we did 193,000. We're going to be at about 190,000 today. The high is 1308. That 1308 was established on May 2nd. We are at 1296.90 right now. This is going to get some nice sleep tonight. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, jump up, and guess what? Boom! Take that high out. Silver. Let's take a look at the silver contract. What do you have with the silver contract? Silver contract right now had rejected lower price a few days ago. Still hadn't caught a bid. Bottom line, what we have right now, you did 50,000 contracts out here. Nice contract value. We are at $17.56, and we hit $17.63 earlier today. This is going to try to get up to the same swing point high. That swing point high is April 29th, and I expect you're going to see that get taken out. Bonds, and now this is what it's all about, folks. The bottom line is that you have the commodity market running because the Fed has cried wolf a million times. Rates are not going up. Rates, in fact, are going down. The Fed wanted to raise rates. The market said, see you later. We're going to bring them down. And that's a worldwide phenomenon. And the pressure from overseas is there, folks, okay? So bottom line, our 10-year today is closing at its highs. We're at 132.07. You've done 1 million contracts. You're at the high. Bottom line, this is going to go to 134, 135, all of the above. The 30-year, what we have with the 30-year, 30-year is at 170.30. This also, you're talking about all-time highs. This is not only all-time highs, it has never been this high, ever, even intraday. The highest it ever got intraday, folks, was 170.26, and then at the end of that month, it closed at 165. We're at 170.30, and we have volume behind the move, and it looks to me like you're talking about, we're not talking about just going up a little. This baby wants to go up a lot, okay? So bottom line, rates are going south once again. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there. We're coming right back. Dow Industrials closed down 34. NASDAQ off 8. S&P's down 2.5. Gold up 860. We're going to be right back.